What is AWS CloudShell? AWS CloudShell is a browser-based command line environment that enables you to use the AWS Command Line Interface or CLI and other tools directly in your web browser. This convenient service is designed for quickly running scripts, experimenting with AWS Service APIs, and managing AWS resources. The CloudShell icon in the AWS Management Console indicates its availability in your AWS region. How it works for AWS CloudShell? Using AWS CloudShell, a browser-based shell, you can quickly run scripts with the AWS Command Line Interface or CLI, experiment with service APIs using the AWS CLI, and use other tools to increase your productivity. The CloudShell icon appears in AWS regions where you can store up to 1 GB of data per region in a persistent home directory that will be available the next time you launch CloudShell in the same region. Thank you for joining our session on AWS CloudShell. We encourage you to utilize CloudShell to optimize your interactions with AWS services, streamline your workflows, and simplify the management of your AWS infrastructure.